Last night aboard at the Carnival Panorama, Friday, December 13th. Oh, no superstitious, folks. Well, there's that planet again out there. Maybe it's Jupiter. Steve mentioned the possibility of it. There's evidently over here because I don't think there's any planets. Again, this is Pacific. The other side of the ship is facing mainland. And it's breezy. Earlier we had some 40-mile-an-hour winds. The ship's been going about 20 knots. And we've been rocking and rolling throughout the day. Nothing that's been too terrible, but still a little bit unnerving, unsteady. About to do dinner